Introducing the 2021 Ford Puma ST-Line, a sleek silver SUV with only 36,520 miles on the clock. This 1-litre petrol automatic comes packed with features like ambient lighting, Android Auto, CarPlay, satellite navigation, and lane departure warning for a safe and comfortable journey. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, your security is our top priority. This vehicle is not only stylish with a spoiler and luxury trim, but also reliable with a comprehensive warranty and full health check. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer. Call us today or visit hillsforddoc.co.uk for more information. Drive away in style and peace of mind with the 2021 Ford Puma ST-Line.